In my balloon business, we do a lot of framing. And when you're connecting one piece of framing to another, we use a lot of zip ties. Now we're going to show you exactly how to get a lot more strength from a single zip tie by wrapping it around multiple times. So firstly, we have our two pieces of example framing. We're overlapping it to extend it or join the two pieces together, and we have a zip tie. So most of the time, you're just going to wrap that around once and seal it off. Now, the disadvantage of that is there's not as much surface area contact, which is the thing that gives you the strength. So using the same zip tie, let's wrap it around twice or even 3 times if you've got the space for it, and then close it off. So what we've done is we've given 3 times the surface area, 3 times the contact of that same zip tie. And using this zip tie gun, you just bring it over here, hold it up to the end, click it off, and you get a nice clean cut, and it tightens it a little bit in the process. So whenever I'm connecting framing, I would prefer to do 3 or 2 times. So we're going to get our second zip tie here, wrap it around 2 or 3 times. And with the zip tie gun, clean it off. Now that extra contact is really helping with the friction on these 2 pieces, so I can't slide it out or push it in without a lot of difficulty.